Today I'll tell you how to create a worksheet. First we will open the Excel file. Did you know what is Excel? Excel is a file used for managing, storing and manipulating data. So then we will open blank workbook and there's a sign of plus. We will click it like this. Like this. And then, you know, A, B, C, D, these are our column. These are our column. What? Column. If I said F, what is it? What is it? It is column F. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are row. These all are row. Column and row. And you know, when I press this, the whole page is a cell. Oh, if I have selected this, wait, like this. You know what it is? Wait, like this. Like this. This. Like this. This is a cell range. What? It is a cell range. And you know, this is write sheet 1. A single page is called a worksheet. What? Worksheet. If I press the sign of plus here, not this one, here. This is another worksheet and another like this, and we can also rename it. Like I have raised it and I have write computer. Computer. Okay? I can also rename this, and I want to delete it. I will click it and delete it. Okay, so I said I will draw a worksheet. I will draw first, and you know, this is a cell range. This is a cell range. Sorry, cell. This is a cell. These all are cell. And if I press, wait, if I press on A, you know there is A1, written A1. This is a C3 column. This is a CF2. This is A1. We will not pronounce like this 1A, 4B, 4E, 2C. It's not. In Excel, we have to pronounce like this. A1, C6, E3, E6, B3, like this. And if I press on B1, this is also written. This, okay? I have on yes. This is a formula bar. What? Formula bar. I have written like KFADIJA, Khadija, and there is also another written as Khadija. Do you understand what I am saying? Okay. And this is a ribbon. What is it? Is ribbon. This is home. Insert. Like another option. This view. Like this. Okay. So let's start. First, I will select the row 1 and bold it. And the writing will be Tiny Roman. What? It's very amazing writing. Time, New, Roman. Time New Roman. This. Okay. So first I will write here day. I will write here day and in bold. D A Y. Day. Enter. I will write here Sunday. 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 Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday, but I have not capital the T. First I have to. Like this. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. 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 And it is out of line. So I will make this line. Like I will do like this. A little bit more and this. It's alright. Yes. So Wednesday. So I will write here Thursday. Thursday. Oh. Rsday. Yes. Friday. Friday. Oh. It's capital, sorry. Riday. Friday. Okay? And I will write here number. Wait. I will big this volume because it is too big. I will write here number of bottle bottles sold. It's not. Yes, like this. And I will write here 9, 4, 5, 8, 6, 13 and I have not written Saturday. I will write here Saturday. 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 Saturday, like this, and I will write here 13 and 10, like this. And then I have completed the worksheet, and then I will draw the border line. Okay, this the windows are border. If I will click it, and I will select all border. What? All border, and see it's border. Then I'll select whole, and then I will choose writing Time New Roman, like this, and the size, it's alright, and and I will select this and color it, not yellow, another color. And if I want this also to color it, I will do light color in it, and first I will choose this numbers, and I will like this. I will select it, and first I will choose font color. This is alright. Okay. And the fill color will be white. So, okay. I have to click it. I will select all this and go to the colors and choose the white color. This is alright. And look, our version is done. And if I want to save it, or if you want to italic, so you can. This is the option of italic, like this. Wow. So I want to save it. So first I will put the file and then save as option, and then to the desktop, and then I will write Khadija, Lesson. Khadija. Oh. No, I will write here. File. File. Save it, and then I will save. You want to see? Okay. This is our file. Look at it is in front of you. It's amazing or not? Please tell me in comment box. Bye bye.